Oh, yeah! Yeah! This is fucked as. Oh man! Yeah!
Is that a car? Car be up there.
Why has he got his hazards on?
I don't know. This is fucked. There's probably some old dude who got scared.
I have my high beams on still, whoopsies. Alright, gotta get out of 5th gear, down to 4th.
Are you gonna overtake this guy?
Yeah. I mean, it's not safe to overtake, but
It's not.
hold that. Make sure it's still pointing out forward. Make sure it's safe.
Well, your phone's got good quality.
I know.
Can't see a single thing. Far out. Ah, it's not even that bad, bro.
Oh, it's not even that bad, you know, we can't even see anything.
Oh, it's
Lightning's like, oh dude, check out the lightning. Holy fuck!
It's like
that showed up on my phone, the whole sky just went blue. And it went green before.
wow.
Yo! As we say on B Crew, yeah! Yeah!
Can't do it.
Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Red dirt. Oh, that was fucking slippery. Yeah! Okay, stop being dickhead. So I need to show this to Casey when we get to the gym. She's gonna be like, what the fuck are you guys saying? Oh, wow.
Wait, you still on 100 Ks.
Still doing 100. Nice and strong. Nice and strong, right? I am not turning my high beams off. You can suck a dick. I'm sorry. Right. I only drop the 80 when we go past stars.
This better be a good gym workout tonight.
Yeah, it better be fucking worth it. What happens if we get there and the gym like loses power?
We wait there so power comes back on, quickly get in.
Yeah, but like, no, what happens if we get in and the gym loses power? There's no way to get out.
Chill.
Is there any fire exits?
Yeah. Fire exit at the back.
Alright. Holy shit! I can't see fucking anything.
That's when we turn our
Dude,
torches on in that phone.
it's easier. It is easier to look through my fucking camera on my phone than what's on the road.
Oh wow, it is. Far out.
Oh, dude.
Wait, it
Oh, dude.
Wait, if it wasn't for those signs beside the car's going. Stay on the road, bro. Stay on the road.
Yeah, I know. I'm just moving over.
Dude! Fuck, see that truck?
Yeah, that truck was on my fucking... Oh, dude, I just had to fucking get off the road.
You better change gear.
No, I'll be right. What the fuck, man? We just almost got ran off the road by a truck. He was more on our side than his side.
You went right off the side of the road.
What? I wonder how the fuck Jordan is driving through backwards.
Wait, bro, is this the worst you ever driven in?
Nah, I've driven in worse than this, which is why I'm not freaking out.
Wait, how bad would it be if you found out
Is this the worst you've ever driven in? Like,
Yeah. Wait, how bad would it be if you found out Jordan got in the car instead of...
dude, that would be shit ass. Holy fuck! If it wasn't for these red and the little signposts, I think a generic rule is if a car is coming, you slow down to like 20.
Especially trucks. Holy fuck, that was right over outside.
Yeah, imagine if there was a gully and we couldn't go off the road. Imagine.
Imagine this on a bridge.
Nah, I think I'm gonna stop. Hey!
And the aquaplaning begins. This is the smallest trip to Kingaroy.
Holy shit. Dude, it feels like I'm driving on water, not bitumen.
Who needs pre-workout when you got this adrenaline?
Holy fuck. is absolutely fucked. Dude, I can't see anything. I can't see.
Shit. Stick. Wait, if it wasn't those red guideposts, would be fucked. Would be so fucked.
Yep, I would be on and off the road like. Wait, is it easier without my high beams? It's easier without my high beams to see.
Just imagine you're by yourself driving.
Holy fucking hell. Casey's gonna be like, you're a fuckhood for recording it.
The whole way.
Yeah.
Or you have to back onto that truck park. Like. And she got there before the rain started too.
Yeah, she only drove through the storm. This rain is fucked. Yow. Oh, we were screaming. She's gonna hear it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. Whoa. Oh, fuck.
Almost there. Especially like this dip. It's coming
Wow.
Okay, car's coming real soon.
Nah, I'll still do 100. That's alright.
Hey, we're almost there. It's a good thing you know the road very well as well.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, aquaplane, holy fuck. That was just like a drift. Even if you were speeding, cops wouldn't pull you up in this weather, eh?
No. No way. Imagine the cop hopping out of the car.
License and they've been talking underwater, it's raining that much. Holy mother of God. Mother of God.
And I want to be able to the gym.
Yeah, everyone will be staying at gym until this subsides. Hold it and keep recording.
Make sure you get the road in the sky. Parking this one, middle one in. Okay, I'm stopping it.